Hello friends, welcome to my 21 day zero oil challenge. First heat the pan, add some cumin seeds on it. Add some chopped onion and roast cumin seeds and onion. Once it is roast, add spices as per your likes. Add little water and cook it. Once it is well cooked, add one chopped tomato and 1 spoon of salt, little water, saute it well. Once it is dry, add masoor dal and coriander leaves. See here, delicious oil-free food is ready to eat. Thank you.